In today's video, I will teach you how to make planners in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword planner. Here, you can choose among the thousands of templates available in Canva's library. But if you already have a design in mind, you can simply filter out the designs by style, theme, pricing, and color scheme, and you can also start from scratch if you would like to make your own planner. When once you've found the right template, you can now go ahead and click on it to customize the template. You can also add more icons, text, and graphics onto your planner by using the elements and text options in Canva. Canva also lets you collaborate with your fellow colleagues. To do so, simply click on the share button and type in the email address of the people you would like to invite to your design, and you can also edit the restrictions of each person. Canva also has a print-on-demand option wherein Canva would print the planner for you and deliver it to your doorstep. To do this, simply click on the Print Letterheads button at the top right side of the screen and assign which page goes to the front as well as the back. You can also choose which type of paper and finish will be used to print your planner. You can also set the number of copies you would like to get printed. And once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and check out and fill the billing and shipping requirements, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.